Okay, hello everyone. This is my second video, and basically this one is going to be on this concept. It's basically a shortcut on linear functions. I'll show you right now. Okay, so it's y equals 5x plus negative 1. Basically, with this concept, you don't need this x and y here. So you don't need the input or the output in this, only the slope and the y-intercept. Okay, so basically what you do is you start at the y-intercept. I'll just put that there and as a placeholder. See, my y-intercept here, as in my first equation, is this, represented by the b, negative 1. So basically that. And then the slope is a 5, which is understood to be 5 over 1. So 5, as in that first equation, 5 would be the y change, while 1 is the x. So it would be 5 up and then 1 to the right. So let me see if I could do this. Okay, so 1 to the right, that's here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I can connect that over here. Okay, so that's the first, but you're not finished yet. Basically what you have to do is you have to keep continuing it. So 1, 1, 2, 3, but it ends here. So basically what you do is you do your best to try to put it where you think it would be at 3 instead of 5. So I'm going to say about right here, trying to be as accurate as possible. Okay, and then you're not done here. Okay, since this is a positive 5 over 1, you still have to continue it back. So you have to go back 1 and then count down 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so it's here at this negative 6 here. So you would bring it down there, and then again you would just finish it up. Okay, and normally in this you would have you would do this. Okay, and so basically I'm showing you what it would look like. Yeah, I'm trying to work this out right now. These are the arrows that basically show you that it's continuing. Okay, so this is basically the shortcut here to the entire thing. Whereas you would usually have to use these inputs and outputs, and then you have to solve. So the other way would be you would use multiple inputs, like let's just use -2 since this is the y. So basically you would solve this out. -2 times 5, which would be -10, plus -1, which would be -11, which would be the solving to y. So you would go to that number you started with, which was -2, and then you would go down to -10, which you can see it would have continued going if I used proper numbers. Maybe if I used -1. Okay, so -1 times 5 is -5 plus -1 is -6. So basically this straight line is supposed to have all of these connecting on it. So if you solve that, that would have been -6 if you used a -1 as your input. So you would go to -1 and you would go down 6. And as you can see, that's right there. Okay? And I can also show you that it's going to work every time. So if you get a 1 times 5 is 5, plus -1 is -4, and you can see it is right there on that dot. Okay, so this is basically the shortcut. So right now I'm going to end this video here. Okay,